Syspro provides a lot of flexibility to help the business and the team make great financial decisions. Hi, my name is Michael Cassidy. I'm the COO and CFO of Merle Norman Cosmetics. Merle Norman Cosmetics is a 92-year-old young company providing cosmetics and also a pretty robust skincare line. One of the real benefits that we found right out of the gate compared to the mainframe solution was everything was real time. Everything can be extracted out of Syspro into Excel in a nanosecond. So I can do a quick real-time analysis of inventory, which prior to going live with Syspro was literally, it was impossible. So what creates a great situation for a management team is the ability to get real-time data and feel good about the data. And I feel really strongly that I've got a really good GL because there's data integrity. When you can really look on a stock code by stock code basis real time and see where those values are compared to your sales, you can immediately make much better decisions. So we were able to generate a fair amount of information and feel comfortable that the inventory levels were just high. We were able to step the inventory down by about $6 million over 4 years. So what does that get you? That gets you $6 million. Syspro works, it's been battle tested. It's really been a nice solution that allows us to continue to scale and really understand the business.